Welcome to our video on mutual funds way to financial freedom. In simple terms, a mutual fund is a pool of money from numerous investors. In India, the mutual fund industry has seen significant growth in recent years. Mutual funds offer higher potential returns compared to traditional bank FDs. They also provide better diversification compared to PPF and post office savings. Investing in mutual funds is less risky than directly investing in individual stocks. The Indian economy is poised for bright future prospects, making it an attractive investment destination. This optimism reflects in the booming Indian mutual fund industry. With the expertise of a financial advisor, investors can navigate the complex world of mutual funds. Financial advisors help in creating a customized investment plan based on individual goals. Mutual funds offer professional management by experienced fund managers. They are a convenient way to participate in the stock market without directly trading shares. Mutual funds provide liquidity, making it easy for investors to buy and sell units. Investors can choose from a variety of mutual fund categories based on their risk appetite. Systematic investment plans, SIPs, make it easy for investors to invest regularly. SIPs also help in rupee cost averaging, reducing the impact of market volatility. Mutual funds offer tax benefits under Section 80C for certain schemes. They also provide the benefit of compounding returns over the long term. Investing in mutual funds is a way to beat inflation and grow wealth. Mutual funds are regulated by SEBI, ensuring transparency and investor protection. They offer a wide range of investment options catering to different financial goals. Mutual funds have the potential to outperform other traditional investment avenues. They are suitable for both short-term and long-term financial goals. Investors can choose between equity, debt, or hybrid mutual funds based on their risk profile. Mutual funds provide the opportunity to invest in top-performing companies and sectors. By investing in mutual funds, individuals can achieve financial independence and security. The disciplined approach of mutual fund investing helps in wealth creation over time. Investors can monitor their mutual fund investments easily through online platforms. Regular updates and performance reports help in tracking the progress of investments. Mutual funds offer the benefit of reinvesting dividends for additional growth. They also provide the option of systematic withdrawal plans for regular income. Investing in mutual funds is a step towards building a diversified investment portfolio. Financial advisors play a crucial role in educating investors about the benefits of mutual fund investing. They help in aligning investments with financial goals and risk tolerance. Mutual funds offer the potential for high returns compared to traditional savings instruments. They provide the opportunity to participate in the growth of the economy